Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can remove Yahoo secure search when you open a new tab. For example, when I want to open new tab, when I search something here, instead of Google, uh, the results are coming in Yahoo search or Yahoo secure search. How you can turn off this and get back to Google or the required search engine what you want. So for to do that, this is on the Chrome web browser. On the right side, you will find these three dots. Click on that, and once you click on that, you will find an option called settings. Click on that. Once you click on settings, you will see something like search engine. Click on this, and here you can see something like manage search engines and site search. And here drop down, you need to check Google, and here you can manage. See here, uh, yeah, see now I changed from secure to Google as default. So once I open a new tab from now on, if I search something here instead of Yahoo secure search, now the search results will be with Google search engine. So this is how simple you can change from Yahoo secure search to your required search. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If it is helpful to you, please do give it a like for this video and share it to your friends.